Hey guys, back again, the Frugal Gal here with another lot of jewelry. This is also $25 plus shipping. And you'll see why when I show you the individual pieces. I'm going to turn you around and let you look at them up close. Hi, me again. Okay, so what you're going to get is you're going to get this gold tone. I lose my words. I'm telling you, my brain. It's not clamper. What is it? Cuff bracelet, and it's love knot. It's in excellent shape. It doesn't look like it's ever been worn. Then you get this brutalist cuff bracelet. Over here. I had my camera up wrong. My phone turned around. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Hasn't even been bent or anything. Now I tried to get the sell this before, and I said it was a bobby pin, but I really think it's a tie clip, and it's got an amethyst stone in it. It's coming off. Well, maybe it's not an amethyst. It's more of a amber color, like a brown color. You get that. You get this pair of hoop pierced earrings, gold tone, perfect shape. You get this size 7 ring that is gold tone on the back. Perfect shape, nothing wrong with it. Pretty flower. You get Monet, because Monet means money. That's why it's $25, because this is a 1960s Monet bead brooch. Okay? And these go for at least $30 on their own. That's what they're worth. So this is the Monet Bumblebee brooch. Signed Monet. It's signed Monet down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Monet right in there. Okay. You get this pretty little butterfly. It's an adjustable ring. It's signed JM. It's an excellent shape. It's adjustable. You get this brooch. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, look at that shine. And you get another piece. I'm putting another piece of sterling silver in this lot for your money. These are sterling silver pierced earrings. I'll show you the backs. See where you can see it says sterling. You see it says, I have it upside down. Sterling. Sterling pierced earrings. Then you get this necklace, which I need to measure. I just think this pendant is awesome, even if you didn't want the chain on here. I assume that's plastic or celluloid. It's not Bakelite. I've already tested it. Isn't that a pretty rose? And then that's the back of it. Then it comes on like an antique gold chain with a spring ring clasp. Yeah, I'm trying to measure it with the mandrel. Yeah, that works. Oh, I need to go to bed. 30 inches long all the way down to the pendant. So you get all what you just seen. You get that piece of sterling. You get Monet. $25 plus shipping. I'll ship it the cheapest way possible through the first person who comments down below want and sends me their information and pays for it. I ship it through the post office, and I charge you through PayPal. And thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. And I'm sorry I can't do auctions, but this is the best I can do. And I hope you guys like it.